Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing it all. We're going to be cooking and we're going to be cleaning. We're going to be getting everything done that we need to off of our to-do list. So if you need some help, some motivation, today's video has got tons of it. So first of all, I'm going to start by showing you off what my house looks like right now. And then I'm going to do a little bit of cleaning. I got to clean up the kitchen because I'm about to start making supper and I can't do that with a messy kitchen. So I'm going to clean up the kitchen, then we'll make supper. Then we will do a full-on clean of everything that needs to be cleaned. And I'm really excited. Okay, you guys, so this is what my kitchen looks like right now. It is a disaster. I did not clean up at all after breakfast or lunch. So she's looking like she needs some help. I got some recycling that needs to go out there. It's a big mess. So we got to clear all this up before I can start making dinner, and then we're gonna move on into the other rooms. So dining room isn't too bad today, just a couple of things on that table. You guys know that's a huge catch-all spot for me, so there's a couple things there that need to be cleared off. Same thing with the living room. It's not too bad in here. It might get worse as the evening goes on because Holden will probably start playing with those toys, but really it's not too bad in here. Our bedroom though, excuse the lighting in here. I don't have my tripods, I don't have my ring light set up in here yet. But yeah, bed needs to be made and just some stuff on the floor, some stuff to put away, some laundry. So all that needs to be taken care of. And the last room that we're going to focus on is the bathroom. So it needs to be cleaned. Look at that sink. Ew, that is disgusting. I need to do a full-on clean of the bathroom. There's clothes here. Everything needs to be cleaned. So without further ado, let's just get right on into it. So first we're gonna go ahead and start off by cleaning off my countertops. As you guys can see, I had a ton of things on this counter, so everything had to be cleared off, and that was the first step that I did. Then we're gonna eventually get into doing the dishes. I'm gonna be hand washing some dishes and also loading the dishwasher. But in a second here, you're gonna see me start to go through my recycling. Like I showed you earlier, I had a ton of recycling. It was overflowing. There's a drawer there's a cupboard where I am standing right now, and it's full of recycling. It was overflowing from that. It was sitting on my countertop, so I'm just going ahead and packing it into this box so I can take out the box and then also the bin that was underneath that was completely full. So now we're going to get on into the dishes because that was the main agenda here. There was a ton of dishes. Like I said, I hadn't cleaned up after breakfast, and I still, I think, had a couple of dishes in there from supper the night before. So she definitely needed to be taken care of, and Holden is just always trying to help. And 9 times out of 10 I do actually let him unload the dishwasher. It's so cute. He unloads everything and he hands me each piece, and then I put it away. He's really excited. He's at the age now where he's really wanting to help with absolutely everything, and it is just so adorable.
I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Though I want your touch, baby, I so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, I so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. Slow it down. Slow it down. Slow it down. Slow it down. Baby, I so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, I so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. Baby, I so
Okay, so now that my dishes are taken care of, we're going to go ahead and just wipe down all the countertops because we're going to be getting ready to start making dinner. And tonight I am actually making something that I've never made before. I saw an idea on Pinterest that kind of led to my own idea and my own creation of this, and what I decided to make was chicken and vegetable Caesar kebabs. And you guys, this is so simple. This is such an easy recipe. all you have to do is take all of the vegetables that you have on hand and you just cut them up into kebab size pieces and put Caesar dressing on them. So as you can see here, I've got some zucchini that Holden is trying to steal from me and eat. And you'll see in a minute here, he tries to like make a tower out of the zucchini. He's just all up in the zucchini and he was driving me nuts. He would just not stop. He's so cute, but yeah, he was driving me a little bit crazy as I was trying to make this. So like I said, all you're gonna do is you're gonna chop up your veggies, whatever you have on hand. I think I used zucchini, bell pepper, mushrooms, some onion, and then I tried to use asparagus, but you guys will see it was a big fail. Of course, the asparagus is too little to put on a kebab, so it just didn't work. And then all you're gonna do is you're gonna brush on your Caesar dressing of your choice. That is it. It is so simple. Bake it in the oven. If it's summertime, barbecue is even better. But I baked it in the oven at 400 for about 20 minutes or so, just until everything was all cooked. And yeah, it was so simple, it was so easy, and it was absolutely delicious, you guys. I seasoned my chicken here with, what the heck did I use here? I can't really remember. I think I used Korean barbecue seasoning. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what I used. And then, like I said, just brush everything with the Caesar dressing of your choice, and it was a pretty fast meal. The only thing that really took time was threading it onto the kebabs. And I'm so sorry that you guys can't see that very well here. I'm working with a new camera and I'm still trying to figure everything out. And I thought I was in frame that whole time, but I obviously, as you can see, I wasn't. So yeah, you're just gonna thread your kebabs. That's really what takes the most time. If you even wanted to skip that part, like I had some leftover stuff and I just threw it all on a sheet pan and just had the rest be on a sheet pan. But of course it's kind of fun, especially for kids too, to try to eat off of kebabs. It's kind of fun. So everything looks really pretty, and all you're gonna do is just, like I said, lay it on an oil lined pan. I just put a little spray of olive oil down on the pan and you're just brushing it on with your Caesar dressing. And that's what it looks like before it goes into the oven. And you guys, I was absolutely shocked at how this turned out. It turned out so good. My whole family loved it. Even Holden ate parts of it.
Knows I'm getting so much better every day. Yeah, baby, can't you see? As easy as ABC.
All right, so now that we are done with dinner, we are going to continue on with our cleaning. So we are heading into the master bedroom, and I basically just have to make the bed and do a little bit of light dusting and get all of that laundry off the floor, and then we're pretty much good to go in here.
Hello, do you remember me? I'm the one that broke your heart. I'm here if you still want me. And we will never be apart. I guess I couldn't see just what you meant to me. Get off the phone and sober up, because it's you and me now. I try, and then I mess it up. That's the story of my life. Say yes, I'm at the coffee shop where we used to go at night. I guess I couldn't see just what you meant to me. Get off the phone and sober up, because it's you and me now.
Okay, so we are now moving on into the bathroom, and I cannot wait to show you guys me cleaning this disgusting sink. I don't even know. It hadn't even been a week since I had cleaned the sink, so I have no idea how it got to be so gross. But that was definitely the highlight, and it was so satisfying to actually clean this.
Standing in the hallway, I know you know what I'm about to tell you. I've just realized that you can't let go. It's something about me and you. So let me stay here a little while, at least until I calm down. Please don't say it's all about me. It's something about us, something I like to try. Please don't say it's all about you. That is all too late, 'cause I don't mind waiting for you.
Okay, so the last room that we are going to tackle is the living room, and it didn't end up getting too bad. I was concerned that Holden was going to make a huge mess after supper, but he didn't do too bad in here, so we're just going to go ahead, do a general tidying up of his toys, and then we're going to go ahead and vacuum here in a little bit. But I just wanted to say we're nearing the end of the video, so I would absolutely love it if you guys are new to my channel, if you'd go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would really, really appreciate it. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers before the first of the year, so I have a little ways to go yet. So I would definitely love your support if you found my content to be motivating. Yeah, and other than that, thank you guys so very much for hanging out with me today. I hope I gave you some inspiration. We did some cooking, we did some cleaning, and I had a lot of fun hanging out with you guys. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.